We are pleased to show you the 2023 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, power windows, fog lights, security system, electronic stability control, trip computer. Come take a test drive today.